Hi, I'm Carlin Aker. I'm the CEO and founder of OSnap Social and the mastermind behind the Fan Fire Starter Framework. Wonder what that sounds like at 1.5 speed. The Fan Fire Starter Framework. The Fan Fire Starter Framework. This is our signature framework made specifically for businesses and personal brands alike who are tempted to fake their own death and flee to Tahiti at the mere thought of content creation. So here's some tough love right out the gate. Are you ready? If you're not online, you don't exist. Bottom line, you don't need all the social media platforms that exist on the internet, but the ones that you leverage most mean more now than ever. And just like there's no singular concrete cocktail for social media strategy, there's no one way to attain that noteworthy, never again worry success. Ready to wrangle social media once and for all? I got your back. I put out a blog every single week like clockwork, jam-packed with solid insights from the depths of the social media marketing trenches. Want to be notified when a new video goes live? Be sure to ring my bell. Be sure to ring my bell. OMG right now. Listen. Subscribe here. The end.